What's up, guys? Lazy Man is back once again. Wishing he could find his pocket on this jacket. I got my lunch. I got the bike back. Finally. And hopefully if I can get this uploaded on the same day I'm filming it. Happy Valentine's Day to you and your loved ones. It is a chilly morning here in Arkansas. Whew. Got a little bit of time before I gotta go to work. Battery's been kind of iffy on this thing, so I might take the long way around. I finally got new tires on this thing. Oh, it feels so much better. I do have a couple of updates. I've been saving up my pennies and saving up towards an upgrade for my switchback. I'm not going to say what it is. You're just going to have to wait. But it's going to be fantastic. I think it will. Most people probably won't care. Ah, but dear Lord, it's cold. I did film the intro for the next part of my rebuild series. You got in that turning lane way too early, dude. Yeah, this is gonna be part 1, 2 minus 3 times 4, carry the 1, divided by the denominator, 3 or 4, one of those. But yeah, that's coming up soon. His bike will be almost done. After this, all we gotta do is figure out where he wants to take the saddlebags, because they got the top corner of the saddlebags got flattened out where it ground up against the asphalt, and it scratched up his latches. OEM Harley Davidson saddlebag latches are freaking expensive. But I can get a set of billet aluminum replacements for like $40, which isn't bad. But he doesn't want billet aluminum because it's aluminum, they corrode, they have to keep them polished. So I don't know. Customer's always right, gotta do what they want, yada yada yada. And I can do what he wants, he just has to tell me what he wants. Basically, we just made a big loop. Get a little more saddle time in. Man, this thing rides good. Yay, I'm at work. Yay me. Oh, she needs a bath. She definitely needs a bath. Actually, I got a couple upgrades I'm thinking I'm wanting to do. Now, I've got the parts for one. I just gotta do it. But that will all be covered shortly, sort of, kind of, possibly, maybe. But, I went with, some Bridgestone Exedras. That's what I had on the VTX, and I freaking love them on that bike. These suckers are sticky for a cruising tire. Oh my gosh. I was throwing rocks up into the fender, just pulling out of the bike shop's driveway. But anywho, if anybody wants to clean it for me, let me know. Because I hate washing bikes. I hate washing anything. I ain't taking a shower. I just want to be stinky. But my wife said, if you want to stay married, you gotta take a shower. Fine. I like being married. I want to stay married. So I'll take a shower. You know, the whole happy wife, happy life, I guess. I try to keep her happy. Well, I know I cannot film going into the building, so I'm going to end the video here. I will catch you on the flip side.